Hi, I'm Enrico Aranda.
Hi, my name is Milet Malabana.
Hi, I am Angel Del Rosario.
Hi, I'm Unizer Aldrich A. Ronyo.
Hi, I am Abiel Joy Agala.
And we are here to teach you how to make an online quiz using Quizziz. Quizziz is an online assessment tool that allows the teachers and students to create and use one another's quizzes. After providing students with a unique access code, a quiz can be presented live as a timed competition or used for homework with a specific deadline. After the quizzes have been completed, students can review their answers. Furthermore, the resulting data is compiled into a spreadsheet to give the instructor a clear visual view of the student's performance in order to analyze trends in which areas might need the most focus in the future.
First, I will guide you on how to set up your Quizziz account and show you the quick and easy steps on how to use this fun and engaging platform. Step 1. Open your browser, then type in quizziz.com. You should be able to open the Quizziz user interface. Step 2. On the upper right side of your screen, click the sign up button. You can either type in your mobile number to receive a one-time PIN to register, or you can continue with your Google or Microsoft account. If you already have an existing Google account, you may click Google, then enter your email address and password manually, should you want to do it manually. Step 3. If you choose Google, to create an account, select your desired email. Once you're able to log in successfully, click on the left dashboard to create your quiz.
Step 5. A pop-up will appear which will then ask you to provide name and tag the quiz appropriately. A maximum of 3 tags are allowed per quiz. In this scenario, we will label it as a quiz. We will also name this as states of matter. We will select science as relevant subject. Afterwards, we will select next. Step 6. A new window should appear that would ask you to type the assessments that our questions would be applicable. For our first question, let us select multiple choice. After selecting which type of assessment fits our question, we now have the option to provide the questions and the choices that our assessment would have. You can either upload an existing image or type in our questions manually. In our case, let us upload an image since this is also has some designs that can be amusing for our students. Click on the left side, Image. You may search in the existing library of quizzes an image that suits your question, or we can also upload our own image by dragging and dropping our desired image from our local device. After uploading our image, which already has the designs as well as the question, click Save. As you can see, we don't have to type in our question since the question is already part of the image that we have uploaded.
We can now input our questions in the box found below. There are 4 boxes included, which we can use in leaving questions. Each box has the option to either delete a certain box, change the question from text to an image, or we can add equation if our choices needed such. In our case, there are 4 boxes we can leave questions. We'll delete 2 boxes since we only need 2 boxes for the questions. Okay, so let's type in the first box a possible answer. Number 1, it is how much an object weighs. For the next box, let's type in it's anything that occupies space and has mass. After leaving all the desired content to create an assessment, let's also identify which is the correct answer. In our case, the correct answer is it is anything that occupies space and has a mass. That's the correct box. After filling all the desired inputs, we can also adjust on the lower left if there's a more than one correct answer or not. The timer in answering this question, which in our case, we'll choose 45 seconds. And to tag these questions for your own reference, though this option is only available for premium accounts. Well, then click Save, found on the lower right side of our screen.
Step 7. We'll be diverted back to the dashboard where we can see all our questions and we can review all the questions for this quizzes activity. Once we are satisfied, click Save found on the upper right side of our screen. We can add a title image for our quiz for us to easily recognize aside from the title on what the quiz is all about. Select the language, in this case, English. Select also what grade level should this assessment fit, grade 2 to 3. Select public visible to anyone. Click Save afterwards. There you go, you already have the basics on how to set up a quizzes.